Question number 1. The famous Iron Pillar of Delhi was built during the reign of which dynasty? Option A. Gupta dynasty, B. Maurya dynasty, C. Chola dynasty, D. Mughal dynasty. Answer is option A. Gupta dynasty. Question number 2. Which movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1942 demanding an end to British rule? Option A. Non-cooperation movement, B. Quit India movement, C. Civil disobedience movement, D. Salt March. Answer is option B. Quit India movement. Question number 3. Who was the first Indian to win an individual Olympic gold medal? Option A. Milkha Singh, B. Dhyan Chand, C. Neeraj Chopra, D. Abhinav Bindra. Answer is option D. Abhinav Bindra. Question number 4. Which Indian leader is known for his role in the Salt March? Option A. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Subhash Chandra Bose, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Answer is option C. Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 5. Who led the Indian independence movement with the philosophy of non-violence? Option A. Subhash Chandra Bose, B. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Bhagat Singh. Answer is option C. Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 6. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Option A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, C. Dadabhai Naoroji, D. Mahatma Gandhi. Answer is option A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 7. Who was the founder of the Brahm Samaj? Option A. Swami Vivekanand, B. Dayanand Saraswati, C. Annie Besant, D. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Answer is option D. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Question number 8. Which ancient Indian text is known for its teaching on statecraft and military strategy? Option A. Manusmriti, B. Ramayana, C. Arthashastra, D. Mahabharat. Answer is option C. Arthashastra. Question number 9. Who was the first British viceroy to begin the practice of shifting the entire government to Shimla from Calcutta during the summer season? Option A. Charles Canning, B. Edward Law, C. Lord Curzon, D. John Lawrence. Answer is option D. John Lawrence. Question number 10. The Harappan civilization was primarily located in which river valley? Option A. Ganga River Valley, B. Indus River Valley, C. Yamuna River Valley. D. Brahmaputra River Valley. Answer is option B. Indus River Valley. Question number 11. Which ancient Indian university was famous for its medical education? Option A. Takshila University. B. Nalanda University. C. Vikramshila University. D. Vallabhi University. Answer is option A. Takshila University. Question number 12. Who was the first scholar to use the term Indus civilization? Option A. Rakhal Das Banerjee. B. John Marshall. C. Dayaram Sahani. D. William Jones. Answer is option B. John Marshall. Question number 13. Who was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize? Option A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. C. V. Raman. C. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. D. Har Gobind Khurana. Answer is option A. Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 14. Which civilization is known for its advanced urban planning and drainage system? Option A. Vedic civilization. B. Maurya civilization. C. Gupta civilization. D. Indus Valley civilization. Answer is option D. Indus Valley civilization. Question number 15. Which king started the organization of the Kumbh Mela at Allahabad? Option A. Dhruv Sena. B. Narasimha Varman. C. Harshvardhan. D. Akbar. Answer is option C. Harshvardhan. Question number 16. Which ruler is known for his edicts and teachings on dharma? Option A. Ashoka the Great. B. Harshvardhan. C. Chandragupta Maurya. D. Samudragupta. Answer is option A. Ashoka the Great. Question number 17. Which Rajput king is remembered for his bravery in the Battle of Haldi Ghati? Option A. Rana Bahadur Singh. B. Rana Sanga. C. Raja Man Singh. D. Maharana Pratap. Answer is option D. Maharana Pratap. Question number 18. What was the main occupation of the people of the Indus Valley civilization? Option A. Agriculture. B. Hunting. C. Trading. D. Pottery. Answer is option A. Agriculture. Question number 19. The famous Ajanta and Ellora caves are located in which state? Option A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Gujarat. C. Maharashtra. D. Rajasthan. Answer is option C. Maharashtra. Question number 20. Who was the famous female warrior of the Maratha Empire? Option A. Rani Durgavati. B. Rani Tarabai. C. Rani Lakshmibai. D. Begum Hazrat Mahal. Answer is option B. Rani Tarabai. Question number 21. Which dynasty ruled over the Deccan region and was known for its architectural achievements? Option A. Chola dynasty. B. Rashtrakud dynasty. C. Gupta dynasty. D. Vijayanagar dynasty. Answer is option B. Rashtrakud dynasty. Question number 22. Which act divided British India into India and Pakistan? Option A. Government of India Act 1935. B. Indian Independence Act 1947. C. Rollout Act 1919. D. Indian Councils Act 1909. Answer is option B. Indian Independence Act 1947. Question number 23. The Indian National Army trial was held in which city? Option A. Delhi. B. Calcutta. C. Lahore. D. Bombay. Answer is option A. Delhi. Question number 24. Which leader was the driving force behind the formation of the Indian National Army? Option A. Ras Bihari Bose. B. Lala Hardayal. C. Chandrasekhar Azad. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer is option D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 25. What is the name of the ancient Indian language in which most Hindu religious texts are written? Option A. Prakrit. B. Sanskrit. C. Pali. D. Tamil. Answer is option B. Sanskrit.